OpenAI just released ChatGPT agents in our education platform. This new tool is not just another chatbot, it's a virtual assistant built to independently handle your most time consuming tasks. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this agent works, why I believe this is just the beginning of how AI will be transforming what we do in schools, and the limits this new feature has you should know before jumping in. Best way to think about it is like having a personal assistant, one you can give a pretty complex goal to, and it just handles all the steps needed to get it done. Up until now, we all had to actually do the work for all of our AI tools to actually work. But now the new agent tool is our new autonomous assistant. So we can stop thinking of AI as a chatbot and start thinking of AI as our own virtual assistant. All you need to do is define the final goal and it figures out all the steps it needs to take to get there. You might be thinking this is too good to be true. And if you are, just know I was skeptical as well. But take a look at what the ChatGPT agent can do. I wanted to test it with something I know takes many of our principals a lot of time to do, running reports in our SIS. So here are the directions I pasted into my ChatGPT agent. I want you to log into my student information system and navigate to custom reports, then run the report called honor roll report by term. Here is what I need you to do. Go to this URL, log in using my credentials. Go to the left side navigation bar and click reporting. Scroll down the page until you see the section called custom report. In that section, click on honor roll report by term. In the pop-up window, change the school year to 2024 to 2025. For the term, use the drop-down menu to select trimester 2. Leave grade blank, leave everything else as it is. Then click the green submit button. So here you can see the agent logging into my student information system by using the username and password I gave it. Then it clicks on reporting on the left navigation panel. But the agent ended up clicking on 2 of the areas by mistake. And what it did next is what caused me to sit up and pay attention. Because once it realized it clicked on 2 of the areas, it stopped itself and corrected its course. But take a look at what it said to itself when it realized it clicked on the wrong area by mistake. Then it uses the drop-down menu to change the year like I told it to do in the directions. I even tried to trick it by telling it to select trimester 2, knowing that would be hard for it to figure out. Apparently it wasn't hard at all, and then it was finished. The entire process took the AI agent about 45 seconds to complete. After it was done, I went back to my SIS to see if the report was executed. Guess what? It was. Unbelievable. The other thing that I like about agent mode is that once the AI agent completes the task it was assigned, it gives you the option to make this a recurring task for it to do whenever you need it. All you need to do is click on the little clock icon and then schedule it to run whenever you need it. Getting started is simple. Enable the agent by granting it permission to access your data via connectors. This is a simple process. Just go to settings. This used to be in the top right-hand corner of the screen, but now it is in the bottom left corner. Click on your name, then settings, then connectors. Turn on any connectors you think you may want to use. You can always go back and change these. So for now, maybe just enable a few. Then once back into the main chat area, click on tools, then agent mode. Under sources, you'll just need to enable which items you want your agent to access. For my example, all I gave it permission to do was access the web, since our SIS is web-based. Using AI agents will have similar use cases as using most any AI at this point. The main difference will be the AI agent will be doing the work autonomously. So imagine being able to set up daily attendance reports or going into your email to create email responses. Or one of my favorite things to do with it right now is to have it go through all of my emails and unsubscribe to anything that looks like spam. Now, powerful doesn't mean perfect. Long tasks may cause the agent to lose context, make simple mistakes, or misinterpret details. So begin by assigning low-risk tasks like research summaries or data analysis, just to see what it can do for you. And for now, approach with cautious optimism. Start small, be ready to take over the screen if needed, and be careful of what you are asking it to do. If you are on the Educator AI platform, your data is private and secure, but that doesn't mean things you do outside the platform have that same level of security. By automating mundane tasks, we can refocus our energy into the things we all rather be doing. If you are an admin, those things might be working with new teachers, planning professional learning, or helping break down assessment data. If you are a teacher, this might mean you get more time to work with students, find new and innovative teaching strategies, or maybe just not need to take work home one weekend. So, this new feature isn't just another AI tool. I believe it's the first step in changing how we work. By leveraging AI agents, we'll all be empowered to reclaim our time and channel it back into teaching and leading. But remember, it's a tool to complement your skills, not replace them. And as always, if you want to learn more about making AI part of your work, just shoot me an email. And thanks for watching.